In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a member from a team in Basecamp. This is really useful if someone has left your organization, moved to a different project, or simply doesn't need access to a specific team anymore. Cleaning up your teams keeps your workspace organized and makes sure only the right people can see and interact with your project information. First, start by opening the specific project or team where you want to remove someone. Log into Basecamp and look through your list of projects or teams on the main dashboard. Click into the one that the person is currently a part of. It's important to do this inside the exact project or team because you're only removing them from that space, not from your entire Basecamp account. Once you're inside the project or team, look for the people settings. Depending on your version or layout, this may appear as a button that says Set up People or as a tab labeled People near the top or along the side of the screen. Go ahead and click that. This is where Basecamp shows you everyone who has access to this particular project or team. Now you'll see a list of all the members. Take a moment to carefully locate the person you want to remove. Double-check that you've got the right person, especially if you have multiple people with similar names. Removing someone will immediately change their access, so it's worth pausing to confirm you're selecting the correct member. Next to their name, you should see a small icon that looks like 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on this ... menu to open a small drop-down of actions you can take for that person within this project or team. From that drop-down menu, choose the option that says Remove or Remove from Project. The exact wording can vary slightly, but it will clearly indicate that you're taking them out of that specific project or team. When you select it, Basecamp will usually prompt you with a confirmation message to prevent accidental removals. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking OK or Confirm in the pop-up. Once you do this, the person will no longer appear in the member list for that project or team, and they'll lose access to its messages, to-dos, and files going forward. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully removed a member from a team in Basecamp while keeping your workspace clean and properly permissioned.